Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a print-on-demand business with Printful easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To start a print-on-demand business with Printful, begin by signing up for a Printful account. Visit the Printful website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in your details to create your account. Once your account is set up, choose the type of products you want to sell. Printful offers a wide range of items including apparel, home decor, and accessories. Select a product category that aligns with your brand. Next, customize your products. Use Printful's design tools to upload your artwork or create new designs. Ensure your designs are high quality to attract customers. After designing your products, choose your selling platform. Printful integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Link your Printful account to your chosen platform for seamless operations. Now, set up your online store. Customize your store's appearance to reflect your brand identity. Add product descriptions and pricing for each item you plan to sell. Once your store is ready, consider your marketing strategy. Leverage social media, email marketing, and SEO to attract customers. After launching your store, monitor your sales and performance. Use Printful's dashboard to track orders and inventory easily. Stay engaged with your customers through excellent service. Review feedback and adjust your offerings based on customer preferences. With diligence and creativity, your print-on-demand business can thrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.